Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you how to create and use stickers on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So first open the gallery app. Now open the image from which you want to create a sticker. Now simply long press on the object to create a sticker. Now tap on this save as sticker option. Once you do this, you will see several options. You can apply various outline or effects to the sticker. Once you are satisfied, simply tap on done. Once your sticker is saved, you can open any app to start using the sticker. So let's just say we want to use the sticker in this WhatsApp chat. We'll tap on this emoji icon at the top. You'll need to be using Samsung keyboard for this. It will not work with Gboard or any other keyboard app. Simply tap on this emoji icon and move to this gallery icon. Here you will see all your saved stickers. You can simply tap on the sticker to use it. If you don't see this gallery icon here, swipe all the way to the right, tap this gear icon and make sure the stickers option is enabled. Once you do, you'll see the gallery icon in the emoji tab. So now you can simply tap on the sticker to send it. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.